So I just tried Chester's Puffcorn butter flavor. $3 for the bag. And my goodness, guys, these are so good. Hear that crunch? They're so soft. It's like eating popcorn without all the kernels and stuff. It's amazing and delicious. And you do gotta eat it fast though. So once you open this bag, you need to put it in a Ziploc if you're not gonna eat it all, because these are just air. They're delicious. They're really good. Have you tried them yet? I've had the cheese flavor, but now I've had the butter flavor too. Whoop, whoop.